Hello, welcome to Just Dig It Farms. I'm Gene.
I'm Tracy.
And we are about to get in our second harvest of sweet honey.
We've got a mixture in here with this sugar water with essential oils, and I will link the video of how I made this above. We use this instead of smoke because the smoke will make the honey taste smoky, and because I cannot breathe with that smoke, so we use an essential oil mix. We just spray it, it calms the bees and makes them go down into the hive so they're not as mad at us for robbing their honey. So you have to make sure that all the honey is completely capped. That's how they preserve the honey, so we make sure that all the frames are completely capped before we take them.
See, this one is probably 80% capped. This side has got a lot that's not capped. And if you put that in the honey, it can ruin your honey. So we're gonna leave this. Oh yeah, lots of honey. Lots of honey. Look at that. That's the dark honey.
Really close.
Dark honey.
Fully capped. So we can take this.
Shimmy, shake, 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 shake. Look at that. Shake.
We shake them off over at the hive so they'll get back in their box. We come over here and brush them off gently with the bee brush. And then we do this quick. We open it up, put them in there, shut the lid quick. And I've got a bottom board on the bottom here with no holes so that they can't come up and get in here. And then we've just got it all sealed up where no bees can get in here because they want that honey back. So these frames were not fully capped or not, they haven't started making honey yet, so we're just putting them back in here. And we're going to leave this on the box for them. This is going to get them through the dearth period. The dearth period is the period during the summer and during the winter when there's not a lot of things blooming or flowering for them to feed off of. So we have to leave stores for them so that they can have food to survive. And we try to leave them plenty because we don't like to feed them sugar water unless we just have to, unless they don't have enough food stores inside their box. So we try to not feed them sugar water and just let them have their own honey for their food stores because the honey has a lot of nutrients in it that the bees need.
These boxes have a substance called propolis. It's like a gummy.
It's a glue that they make.
It's a gummy glue type. You can see here on my knife, the bees on it. It's just a real gummy type pine tar. They have a little bit of everything in it. It seals the boxes up.
They use that propolis to seal the box because it just seals it to keep other insects, robbers from coming in and getting their honey. Keeps ants out. They seal it to keep the temperature exactly right inside the hive that they require for it to be. They get resin and different things from the trees, sap and resin from the pine trees and different trees, and that's how they make this gluey type of propolis substance to seal their hive up. This is Pop and Mom, Gene's mom and dad. And today is Pop's 74th birthday.
Woo!
We're gonna have some cake.
With long life will I satisfy you.
Pineapple, homemade pineapple upside down cake. And then for Pop's birthday, he gets to help us sling honey today.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pop.
Woo!
Happy birthday to you.
Pops.
You're getting younger.
last time we processed honey, we got really tired. We tried to do it all in one day, both sections of our hives, and the tool we were using they get gummy. If you do it when it first comes out of the hive, smooth as a whistle. And this thing doesn't get all gummed up, but it's very fast. When we get done spinning, this is what they look like. Clean as a whistle. And then we'll put that back in the hive, and the bees are able to make honey 3 times faster without having to create the whole hive comb again. So that's what we're doing. As you see, we take this right here, and instead of taking a cap tool and scraping half the wax off, I've already done about 8, and that's all the wax I've ruined. Now I take this and go across and just prick the hole right into the cell. It just kind of basically like an aerator, like a lawn aerator. It goes across. I flip it over. I do the same thing over here. Just basically just press down a little bit. It pricks right into the cells. Sometimes you got to go over it a few times, and then it's ready to spin. We stick it over in the spinner, and it's ready to go. Just a sling hand.
So good. Sticky mess though. Happy birthday.
Let go of it now. Let go of it. See the comb?
That's gone. Now we'll go to the other side.
Ready to go. And see, we flip it around. That side hasn't been done yet. Stick it down into the reservoir. Here we go again. Sweet.
Sweet honey, sweeter than the honey.
See, those cells are empty.
Honey, honey, honey. Oh boy, best honey around. You can't buy honey like this in the store. This is pure liquid gold. Woo, liquid gold, look at it.
Oh.
It was flat coming out of there. Overfill. Overfill.
I don't know.
Oh. Oh, honeycomb, won't you be my baby? Oh, honeycomb, be mine. What a darn good life when you got a wife like honeycomb.